Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. This is Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About today. Today we are learning about the beautiful Harlequin Tusk. Prices on them in our shop. We'll spend about $150 on them, but online I've seen them at upwards of $300, so it's definitely a difference. Tank size, you need about a 55 gallon whenever you first get them, but you will have to upgrade because he does get pretty huge and you will need about a 100 gallon by then. Care level, moderate. Temper, he can be semi-aggressive. Reef compatible, it is with caution. You can put him in reef tanks, we have before, but he will eat up your cleanup crew, so you gotta kind of find your way around keeping your tank clean without doing anything. Diet, they are a carnivore. Make sure they're eating plenty of shrimp. They love them. They eat clams on a half shell, different kind of silver sides, and normally you can tell when they're full by them eating a piece after piece after piece, and eventually they'll keep a piece in their mouth and kind of go back down to their cave and hang out with it. So by then you know he's full. Temperature, keep it 72 to 78. DKH 8 to 12, pH 8.1 to 8.4, and your salinity 1.020 to 1.025. Max size these guys can get is a solid 10 inches. These guys can get huge. Colors is that nice orange and white stripes with a little bit of blue tint on them. Compatibility, just ask. Definitely would recommend you have only one in the tank. They will fight each other if you put more than one in the tank. And normally people put these in predator tanks, fish only tanks. The tank he's in right now is with a bunch of really big mean damsels, snowflake eel, and a porcupine puffer, so you can kind of get an idea of what he's in. Origin, they do come from Australia. That's probably why their prices are a lot more higher than other fish, because they do have to ship them all the way from there. But like I said, he's normally a predatory fish. He can be pretty mean. I've had it at times whenever he got hungry and we were feeding the puffer and he did latch onto the puffer. It was a rough day for him, but just watch out for that. Make sure he's getting plenty of food. If he is in a predator tank, I would try to feed him first because he will go after other fish for that food, just to be safe. Make sure he gets some food first. But that's it for the Harlequin Tusk. He's a great, easy fish to take care of and great for reefs too, but he will eat your cleanup crew, so you might have to do a little bit of extra work yourself to keep the tank pretty. I'll see y'all later. Hope you all have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and have a good weekend. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. I can't thank y'all enough from that. All started out with me just working in the fish store with an idea to let everyone know how to take care of some fish. And here we are, 1,000 deep, and it feels great. So to celebrate, for the whole month of June, every single day, I'm going to put out a new episode of All About some kind of fish, some kind of crustacean, maybe different things on how to take care of stuff. But just either way, every single day you're going to be getting a video from me, and it's going to be awesome. Maybe even more videos. So here we go. Stay tuned. Here comes celebrating 1,000 subscribers.